Now, the next thing that is available in React.js was the props. What do you mean by props? That's very simple and straightforward. I'll tell you how exactly we need to go and have the props here. See, now in the grid component, imagine what I want to do is I want to pass the username and pass the first name, and last name of the user from app component as input to the grid component and want to display. Okay, that's maybe my objective. So what I can do, what I need to do for that one was we can go to the app.js, we can go and say greet, and I'll say first name equal to Mahesh. His name is Mahesh. Then I can go and say last name equal to, also I can say it as Kumar. Now imagine now if I want to access them inside my greet.js component, what I do is I can accept them as the props. Okay. Then I can say welcome and say props dot first name and props dot last name. Okay. So this is the scenarios where you want to pass the properties. These are called as properties in React.js. If you want to pass some properties like first name and last name and all those things, no. So here I'm trying to pass first name and as Mahesh and last name as Kumar. So the same thing, if I want to access, like then what I need to do is they have done two things. One is I have went and created the props here as the property. Okay. Then when I'm trying to access the first name and last name, no. So inside the props, I have a first name property and I have a last name property. So what I'm trying to do is I'm saying welcome props dot first name and props dot last name. That's what I'm trying to do it. You can render multiple components now. So like it's not only a single component. Now I can have greet, until this is what is the reusability. Like the main purpose of component in React.js, and not only in React.js, any other programming language, the main advantage of using the component was it should be reusable. So now I have created a grid component which displays the first name and last name. Now I can use it for multiple users here. Okay. So I can use it for multiple users. So now we can go on. You can go and see in your output, you should be able to see all those results. So now this is what the main advantage of using the components. Components should be reusable.